Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's shaping our world in big ways: artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the term, but do you know how AI actually works? By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the basics. AI is essentially the science of making machines smart. It allows computers and systems to solve problems, make decisions, and even learn from experience, similar to how we humans do. But how does it really work under the hood? At its core, AI operates in three main steps: input, processing, and output. Let me explain these. First, input. AI systems take in data from their surroundings. This could be images, sounds, or even text. For example, if you ask your phone's virtual AI assistant to play music, your voice is the input. Next comes the magic: processing. Here, the AI analyzes the input using algorithms, which are sets of instructions. Modern AI uses something called neural networks, which mimic the way our brains work. These networks are trained on huge amounts of data, learning patterns, and improving over time. Basically, the AI learns how to associate inputs with the right outputs, just like when you learn to recognize different animals by seeing them over and over. Finally, we get to the output. This is the result of the AI's processing. Whether it's your virtual assistant playing your favorite song, a self-driving car steering safely, or a recommendation popping up on your social media feed. But here's the thing: AI gets better the more it's used. This process is called machine learning. The more data it has, the smarter it becomes, kind of like how we get better at a skill the more we practice it. So that's how AI works in a nutshell. It takes in data, processes it with complex algorithms, and gives us useful outputs. Whether it's improving healthcare, transforming industries, or just recommending what to watch next, AI is everywhere, and it's only getting smarter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.